Shani is the most popular deity for his influence in Hindu spiritual tradition and astrology. There is a special kind of fear about his sight. There are references in mythology and lectures when even his guru Mahadev Shiva could not escape from the sight of Shani. His characteristic of not discriminating against anyone makes him the god of justice. However, to attain this position, Shani Dev also had to go through many tests. Shani's wife was extremely brilliant. One night she went to him with the desire to have a son. Shani Dev was engrossed in the meditation of Lord Vishnu. Thus the wife got tired of waiting. The wife got angry and cursed Shani Dev. Shani Dev's wife said that whoever he looks at will be destroyed. Therefore, it is advised to avoid the sight of Shani Dev. Why do we offer oil to Shani? Once, on the request of sun god, Hanumanji went to convince Shani. Shani did not agree and agreed to fight. Hanumanji defeated Shani in the war. Shani was badly injured in this war. To reduce Shani's wounds, Hanumanji gave him oil. On this, Shani said that whoever will offer me oil, I will not hurt him and will reduce his sufferings. Since then, the tradition of offering oil to Shani started. Why do we light lamps on Saturdays? Saturn is a symbol of darkness and becomes very powerful after sunset. If Saturn gets upset, darkness prevails in life. According to astrology, lighting a lamp on Saturday evening removes darkness from life. Light the lamp only on Saturday evening. Why is Shani Dev's color black? A story has been told in the scriptures about the dark complexion of Shani Dev. According to this story, Surya Dev was married to Sandhya, the daughter of Daksha Prajapati. Sandhya and Surya Dev had children named Manu, Yamraj and Yamuna. It is said that Surya Dev was so bright that Sandhya could not bear that brightness, so one day she left her replica Chaya there and went to her father's house herself. Being similar to Sandhya in qualities and appearance, Surya Dev could not understand that Chaya is actually a replica of Sandhya. After some time Chaya became pregnant. Chaya used to do rigorous penance of Lord Shiva from the time of conception. Due to this, she could not take proper care of her pregnancy. Due to this, when Shani Dev was born, he was extremely malnourished and dark in complexion. Seeing the dark complexion of his son, Surya Dev refused to accept him as his son. Shani Dev felt very bad about this. Since Chaya had done penance of Mahadev during pregnancy. Due to this Shani Dev had the blessings of Mahadev from birth and he was born with a lot of powers from birth. When Surya Dev rejected him, he got very angry and when he looked at Surya Dev with the same anger, Surya Dev's complexion also turned black and he got afflicted with leprosy. After this, Surya Dev realized his mistake and he went to Lord Shiva to apologize for his mistake. After this, he gave Shani Dev the boon of being the most powerful among all the planets. Mahadev made him the giver of karma. After his birth, Shani Dev had to bear neglect due to being black in complexion. In such a situation, he realized how much the black color is neglected. This color does not get importance in any auspicious work like worship etc. Due to this, he made black color his favorite color. Why are black things offered to Shani Dev? Since then, black colored items started being offered to Shani Dev. This makes Shani Dev very happy. Apart from this, if you help a needy, helpless or neglected person, then Shani Dev is also very happy with this. Due to the blessings of Lord Shiva, Shani became a very powerful god. Then he expressed his wish and said that any devotee who offers him black colored items, he will fulfill his every wish. Since then, the tradition of offering things made of iron, black sesame, black urad, black cloth, black gram, black effigy etc. to Shani Dev continues. Why did the golden Lanka turn black instead of shining after burning? Even Ravana, the king of Lanka who defeated the gods, was suspicious of Shani's sight. Therefore, he caught Shani and hung him upside down in Lanka, so that he could not see him. When Hanuman burnt Lanka, he freed many gods from Ravana's captivity. Shani was also among them. When Hanuman straightened him, his sight fell on Lanka. This is the reason why after burning the golden Lanka, instead of shining, it turned black. How are you pleased, Shani? How to avoid Shani's anger? If you want to avoid Shani's anger, then stay away from people who speak ill of others and conspire against others. Do not keep bad thoughts about others in your mind. Don't try to harm anyone. Do not try to snatch someone's rights. Avoid being careless. Try to get up before sunrise. Do not sleep at all during sunset. Feed the poor and hungry as much as possible. Give food items. Donate leather shoes and slippers to the needy. Donate black blankets to the poor in winter. Donate mustard oil in an iron vessel on Saturday. Offer mustard oil to Shani Dev on Saturday evening. Light a lamp of mustard oil. Wherever there is a statue or symbol of Shani in temples, his gaze is bowed. This is a symbol of the effect of Shani's gaze. Why is the idol of Shani Dev installed facing west? According to astrology and Vastu Shastra, Lord Shani Dev is the lord of the west direction, therefore the idol of Lord Shani Dev has been installed here facing west. It is a religious belief that Shani Dev should not be seen from the front. Hence, here also, for darshan, the visitors walk clockwise from the south direction, come to the west direction, have darshan of Shani Dev and then come out in the west direction and then come out again from the north and east direction and come out again in the south direction. Some people may call this process of darshan of Shani Dev as superstition, but this process which has been followed for centuries for darshan of Shani Dev is to follow an important principle of Vastu. There is a principle of Chinese Vastu Shastra Feng Shui that the middle part in front of the main gate is of fame. Hence, fame increases if red color is used here and fame fades if black color is used. In India also, the auspicious symbols made on the main gate are made of red color such as Om, Omkar, Swastik, Shubh Labh etc. In temples also, it is considered auspicious to dress the idol in front of the main gate in red color. Shani Dev is dressed in black clothes and his idol is painted black. In such a situation, if the idol is installed in front of the main gate, then the above mentioned principles of Vastu and Feng Shui are ignored and the fame of the temple gets affected. That is why centuries ago, the learned sages and saints must have started the tradition of installing the idol of Shani Dev on the right side of the temple instead of installing it right in front of the main gate. This Vastu tradition has been followed in Sri Shanidham also. Why is the idol of Shani not kept in the house? Saturday is dedicated to Lord Shani. Shani Dev is worshipped on this day. It is believed that if Shani's Sad Sati or Mahadasha is going on in a person's horoscope, then worshipping on this day brings auspicious results. But despite this, there is a ban on keeping Shani Dev's idol in the house. In the scriptures, putting pictures of some gods and goddesses is considered forbidden. Out of these, putting Shani Dev's idol at home is considered forbidden. According to mythological beliefs, Shani Dev was cursed that whoever he looks at, will face misfortune. This is the reason that so that Shani Dev's sight does not fall directly on our lives, it is not considered right to keep Shani Dev's picture or idol in the home temple.